I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a construction card in the UK. A Construction Skills Certification Scheme, or CSCS, card is essential for anyone working on a UK construction site. It provides proof that you possess the necessary training and understanding of health and safety protocols. While not legally mandated, many employers require it for site entry. These cards come in various colors, each indicating different roles, experience levels, and qualifications, showcasing your commitment to industry safety. To obtain your construction card, two main requirements stand out. Firstly, you must pass the SIP Health, Safety, and Environment test, often called the touchscreen test, within the last 2 years. This test consists of 50 multiple-choice questions, completed in 45 minutes. Secondly, you need a relevant construction qualification, such as an NVQ or an approved health and safety course. It is crucial to use the CSCS card finder to determine the specific card type suitable for your occupation. The application process is straightforward. Begin by identifying the precise CSCS card that matches your job role and qualifications. Next, book and successfully pass the required SIP Health, Safety, and Environment test. Once you have your test pass, gather all essential documents, including your qualification certificates and the test ID number. Finally, submit your application online through the official CSCS website, or by using their convenient My CSCS app. Understanding the costs involved is important. The application fee for any CSCS card is a flat rate of £36. Additionally, you will need to pay £22.50 for the mandatory SIP Health, Safety, and Environment test. Keep in mind that further training or qualification courses might incur extra costs, depending on the specific card you require. Once your application is approved, your physical card is usually dispatched and arrives within 3 to 5 working days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.